the students how to do the data analysis for exploring the descriptive and inferential statistics. And I am requesting all of you, please open your data set if you have. Otherwise, you will follow me. That is how I analyze the data. Now, this is the data that you have. You have the 5 items measuring the 5 values.
So kindly share your screen. We cannot see anything right now.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Please you always tell me, because repeatedly I have to change. Yeah. I think this is visible to all of you. So this is the item related to the value challenging. So 5 items are there, and these 5 items we have to explore. That is whether these 5 items are correlated with each other or not. If it is correlated, then we can assess the sum. Okay. So if I click it, then correlate, bivariate. So this is visible to all of you. 5 items I
Yes, sir.
selected. And after that, okay. Now I find that is the items are correlated with each other. Okay, these 4 items, they are correlated with each other. And one item is not correlated highly. That is this item number 3. Item number 3
Sir,
is
we
not.
cannot see your screen. The output screen is not visible.
Okay. Yeah, today we have this type of problem repeatedly. I think this is visible now.
Yeah.
So first item is correlated significantly with item number 2, but not the item number 3, item number 4 and item number 5. So out of the 5 items, these 4 items, they are correlated with each other. And you can find out that is whether the item number 3 is correlated with other items. Yes, this item is correlated with the item number 4 and item number 5. But it is not strongly correlated with item number 2. Okay. Since it is correlated with other items, I am considering them as the item for the total score calculation. Therefore, I have to click the transform, then compute variables. This is visible transform? No. Okay. Then again, we'll go to the. This is, I think, visible. So if I write down challenge total or total challenge, that is the new variable. And then I click it, CH1 plus CH2 plus CH3 plus CH4 plus CH5. And then I calculate this OK. After that, again I am going to the bivariate correlation because I want to find out the item total correlation. Now I am clicking analyze and then correlate. After that, bivariate. I add this variable here and then I click the OK. Now I get the correlations. So this is clear to all of you. That is this item. First item is correlated with the total score 0.76. Second item 0.64. Third item 0.69. Fourth item 0.80. And fifth item 0.75. This is visible to all of you. Hello.
Yes, sir, it is visible. It is visible.
Okay. So now we have to find out first one.
Sir, I have a question over here.
Sure.
So, this total challenge, what you have shown right now, so these are
Yeah.
not correlated with each other, right?
Only one item is not correlated, but that is not the each other. Out of the five
Yeah,
items, only it is not correlated with one item.
one item. Which one is
Yeah.
it? Which one is it?
So that is the, I think, item 2 maybe. Yeah, item 2. Okay.
Item
Here you can
2.
find out CH2
Ah,
and CH3 is not correlated. Okay.
correlated. Ah, yes.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
But it is
0.09.
correlated with other items significantly. Therefore, I can consider this item in my model.
Okay.
And again, I am testing
Hmm.
whether this item is correlated with the total score or not. If it is not correlated with the total score, then I will not use this item. So
Okay,
this is
sir.
all the
Okay.
data quality. Okay. So since this item is correlated with the total score, then I can think that I can consider it as our own model. Okay. Now, Farah has given you the specific analysis that you are supposed to do. So first one is the frequency. First one is the frequency distribution, percentage, mean, median, mode, and standard deviation. So when it is the frequency, then you can take this variable because you have the 5 items. So you can take these 5 items. Is it visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And after that, you will click the statistics, and there is mean, median, mode. Okay, standard deviation. This is there. Then continue. After that, you will click the OK. So this is the data. This data is visible to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here you can find out this is the CH1. So only two people assign 2 for the CH1 and 11 people assign 3. So this is the frequency distribution. And this is the 4 by 9 people, 5 by the is this 5 by the 8 people. And here you can find out the percentage. Okay. That means for this particular item, maximum is this value. That is the third. Okay. So it is the 36.7. So this is your interpretation will be the 36.7% favor this item as the what are the categories you have? 3 means undecided, no? So they are thinking that they are undecided about this particular item. Another thing, if you go to the next item, challenge 2, there again you will find that is the 4, that is 33%. So if it is more than, that means 33 plus 23, okay, that will be the higher rank, particularly for the 3. And for the 2, this is also the 40% people. They are in favor. So in this manner, you have to interpret the frequency distribution. Similarly, item number 4, you will get that is the most of them out of 30, 14 people assigned 4. That means 46.7% respondents of the total sample, they assign 4. Okay, for the item number 5. So this is all about the frequency and the percentage mean, median, mode. Mean, median, mode, that is also there. So again, you have to, yeah. So here you can find out the mean, median, mode. The mean is 3.77, median is 4. 3.87, and here you can find out of these 5 items, respondents assigned higher score on the item number 4 and item number 5. So you have to explain that is what is measured by this item. And next, you have to show the standard deviation that is also given here. And you will find that is the within group variability that is high in case of the item number 3. It is 1.07. So within group variability is very high in case of the item number 3. So this is the interpretation of your data, particularly for the descriptive statistics. And related to the data visualization, then you will directly go to this data. Then you will click the graphs, and then legacy dialog, then you can click the histogram. Is it visible, histogram? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have to click the histogram, and then you will click only the total score. Okay. And then you click the OK. If you click OK, then you will get the graphs. So this is the graph. This is the graph. Now here you can find out, suppose I am asking you, how do you interpret this graph? So what is your mean? Your mean is 19.37. So it lies here. Okay. And you will find some people also possess the score of the 25. The standard deviation is 3.327. N is 30. So this data also indicates the spread of the data towards the higher degree, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it is 25. Okay. And you will find that is the 25 people, they also assign it as a 4. And again, less number of people, they are also assigning this is this 5. So this is the 5 people, they assign the score less than mean. So this is the frequency and this is the score. Here you can find out the 4 people, they assign the score as 25. Okay. So this is the histogram. You have to interpret the histogram also. Again, If you click the Analyze Descriptive Statistics, Frequencies, after that, you click the Reset and you click only the Total Challenge, then the Chart, and you are clicking the histogram, then show normal curve of histogram on histogram. Okay. And after that, you click the continue, then okay. So if it is there, then you will get the histogram on normal distribution. So what you have noted, that is your data is negatively skewed. This skewness is clear because your data also more at the right end of the normal curve. Okay. So you can say that this is the tendency for the negative skewness. Though majority people fall within this particular level. This is the
S-
normal distribution.
So I have
So
a question over
majority,
here.
yeah, yes.
How come it is negatively skewed? I mean, most of the datas are falling in the bit in between, and in the left portion, that's
Particularly
why.
for this particular data,
Uh-huh.
only for this particular data, this 25.
Yes.
Okay, and this data is at the right side.
Huh.
That
So
is also very high
yeah.
in comparison with the other items.
Mm-hmm.
It is true that the majority fall within this particular range.
Within the middle range,
Yeah,
yes.
the middle
Yes.
range. That is
Yeah.
true. But
Uh-huh.
one data is there that is higher range. That is the negative side. That is this right side. Therefore, we can say
So right side is positively skewed, right? Not the negatively skewed.
uh, right side is positively or
So that's
negative.
what I'm little confused about. Right side is positively skewed, no? And the left side is negatively skewed.
I have to check.
Yes.
Okay, okay. If it is that, then maybe you are right. But I think
No, so I'm really confused about it. That's why I'm asking. I'm not sure. So
uh,
that would be really
uh,
helpful, sir, if you can clear it out.
okay, it is negatively skewed, I think. Okay,
Right
now
side is
you go
negatively
to
skewed.
the,
Okay.
you click this analyze, you click the analyze again, particularly for the inferential statistics. So you can go to the independent sample t-test. This is visible to all of you? Independent
Yes,
sample
sir.
t-test. Okay. So independent sample t-test, your dependent variable will be the challenge, total score. Okay. And you have to select only one independent variable. Suppose you are selecting gender. And after that, define groups. So it will be 1, and this will be 2. Okay. So after that, you can click continue. Next will be the options. You can click options. Options is there, 95. It is okay. Then you click OK. So when you click OK, then you will get this data. That is the group statistics. Male is 19.37 and female is 19.33. This is visible to all of you. The result not visible. Okay, I have to share. So this is the mean, 19.37, another one is 19.33. And this is the standard deviation. This is the standard error of mean. So all those things are available here. After that, you will get the t-test. And you have noted that is what is the significance level. Significance level, you will find that is there is no significant difference between the two groups. Okay. If there is no significant difference, that means your interpretation will be that male and female respondents do not find any difference in the challenging values because this value is measuring the challenging. So you do not find. Therefore, what you have to do, you have to use the merge data. So what is your merge data? Merge data will be the descriptives, and you have to take only this total challenge. Okay. And then you click the OK. So this is the mean, 19.37. So if it is a 19.37 divided by how many items are there? 5 items. Okay. So you have to do the division. That is 19.
So the screen is not visible.
Achha. This is visible now?
Yes, sir.
So 19.36 is the average. And if you divide the 19.36 by the 5, then it will be 3.87. Okay. This is the 19.36 divided by 5. Why divided by 5? Because we want to find out that is from 1 to 5 rating scale on which area the respondents fall. Okay. Therefore, you have noted that is it is 3.87. 3.87 means all 4. That means these respondents gave values on the challenging, but this is not very high. Okay, it is 3.87. So be careful about it. And so this is the interpretation about the t-test. Okay. So histogram, descriptive statistics part, that is, I have finished. And after that, there is a cross tabulation. Now you go to the second part, inferential statistics, including cross tabulation of the 5 items. So when you will be the 5 items, the cross tabulation, then you have to click the, again, analyze. Then descriptive statistics. Next is the cross tabs. So these cross tabs includes the items, CH1. And this is another item, CH2, that is in column. This is visible? No.
No.
So this is the cross tabulation. This is visible.
Yes, sir.
Row is CH1 and column is CH2. And then you have to click the statistics. There is a chi-square. You click chi-square. You can click the contingency coefficient to find out the effect. You can click the phi. After that, you can click continue. And then you click the OK. When you click OK, then you will get the result of cross tabulation. This is visible to all of you.
Yes, sir.
So this is the result of cross tabulation. And this is the chi-square. Chi-square value is 23.53. DF is 9. Okay. One can ask you, that is why DF is 9. Then you will tell that 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 categories are there, so it is 3. 4 minus 1. Column minus 1 and row minus 1. And this is the 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows are there. So 3 into 3 multiplied by 3 into 3 means 9. And the chi-square value is 21.53. And this is significant. Okay. This is significant. And the phi value is 0.886. That is the phi value. Okay. Phi coefficient 0.886. 886. That means these two items, they are highly correlated with each other. Now, you have to calculate these, all the items with each other. So 5 by 5 will be there. Then you can click the analyze. After that, descriptive statistics, cross tabs. So if you click the CH3, CH4, CH5, so all items here. After that, you click the OK. That means you will get the each item, that is item 1 versus item 3. Okay. Item 1 versus item 3. Item 1 versus item 4. Item 1 versus item 5. Now, based upon the chi-square value, you can tell that is the items in which the relationship is very high. For example, this item 1 and item 5, the relationship is very high. It is 0.973. So if I ask you this question, that is, can you arrange the relation among the items with respect to the order, ascending or descending order, then you can present this cross tabulation, and after that you can use this phi coefficient, or you can use this chi-square value also. Okay. So this is the thing. Oh, last one is the item total correlation. Item total correlation, we have to click analyze, then correlate. After that, bivariate. Is it visible to all of you? No. You have to click analyze, then correlate, then the bivariate. Okay. And you have to click these 5 items and their total score. Okay. And after that, you will click the OK. When you click OK, then you will find that item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4, item 5. So among the 5 items, item 4, that is strongly correlated. Next is item 5. Next is item 1. And next is item 3. And next is item 2. So this is the item total correlation. Now there is data visualization. There is a data visualization. So you can click the graphs. Legacy dialog. This is the scattered dot. Simple scatter. Define. Then y-axis. Is it visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Then CH1, that is the first item. After that, you will click. Achha, which item is strong? I have to check. Then I think we will get the better slope. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 number item. Okay. So I am taking the 4 number items. Then I click the OK. So this is the scatter plot. Is the scatter plot visible?
Excuse me, sir. How did you check which item is strong?
Item number 4.
How did you do that? How did you check it?
Yeah. Now here you can find out. It is 8.801. Is it visible to all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is.
So you can find
Okay.
out that this item is strongly correlated.
Strongly correlated. Okay, okay, okay. Got it, got it. Thank you, sir.
Therefore, I have selected this item for the scatter plot. So now, looking at the scatter plot, you can find out the data distribution. Then you have to click again. After that, you have to click this one. Add fit line. If you click it, then you will find that is, since this item is strongly correlated with the dependent variable, okay, the intercept is close to the 0. Close to 0. That is this origin, not the 0. I can say that is the origin. The intercept is from the origin and it is very straight line. After that, you click the file, close. Now you can see this data visualization. Okay. This is the item number 4. And this is the total score. So since the slope is very close to the origin, we can make better prediction. So the individual who assigned 3, there is a high probability that their total score is 15. So here you can draw the line. The last class I have told you that is this triangle is similar or not. Here you can find out this triangle are. This triangle and this triangle is almost similar. Okay, therefore, your prediction will be correct. And here is the score. This score is at the higher end. Okay. Higher end means at the higher side of the slope, that is item 4, as well as the higher side of the total score. This particular score. Okay, so I am just changing the color. You can change the color for indication. And after that, if you click File and then close, so you will get this data. And if you are interested to compare, that is always better to compare, then you can compare this data with this item 4. You can compare it with item 2. It is 0.64. Okay. So therefore, you can click Graphs, then Legacy Dialog, then Scatter Dot, then Simple Scatter. After that, define. Then you can take which number item I have told you. Item 1. Which number item I have told you. 0.63, item number 2. So I am taking this item and then I click the OK. If I click OK, then you will get this data. This is visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So after that, you double click. Then again, you have to click this particular icon. Now here you can find out it is above the origin. Okay. This is not from the
Sir,
origin
this
point.
window is not visible, what you are showing, like which icon you're clicking and what is coming.
Okay, okay. This is visible.
This is visible, sir, but how come this which icon you're like whenever you're clicking the box, no, it is not visible after that. What is being
Okay. When you get this scatter plot, no? When there is no slope, then you will click this particular icon. Add fit line, add total. If you click it,
this is only not we cannot see this, sir.
okay.
Whatever you're clicking.
So if you click it, then it comes. Okay. Since I want to cancel, it becomes different. Again, I'm showing you. So this is the item number 4. Okay. And now I am coming to the item number 2. So I am clicking analyze after, graphs. Next is the legacy dialog. Next is scatter plot. Then simple scatter. Then define. After that, you have to consider item number 2 is on x-axis and total score will be on the y-axis. And then you will click OK. This is visible. Now I get another data. So this is about the item number 2 with the total score. And then you have to double click. Then you click this particular icon. Okay. Next, you click File, Close. Now you can find out the difference between the slopes. Okay. The slope starts from this above the origin. Okay. And it accounts 43%. Here you can find out the R square linear 0.43. So 43% accounts the variance of total score. Whereas this item number 4, accounts 64% variance. And here you can find out the slope. And that is this intercept lies as close to the origin. And this triangle, they are almost symmetric. But here, you will not find symmetric triangle. This is clear. The triangle is not symmetric, right? Now the last one, that is the data visualization. You have to click the graphs, legacy dialog. Then you have to click the box plot. Simple. Then define. After that, total score. Y. Sorry. First, you click the graphs, then legacy dialog, then the box plot. Here you can find out summaries of separate variables. Is it visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then define. Then you have to select only this variable. After that, you have to click the OK. So now you will get the box plot. This is the total distribution. You do not find any outlier. And this is the 5 hinges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5 means maximum score, that is 25, and the minimum score is less than 12. Okay. And first quartile lies here, that is less than 17.50. And the median lies here within 17.50 and 20. And this is the third quartile. It is above 20. And this is the maximum. Okay. This is the distribution. And looking at the box, you will find that is the interquartile range. This is the interquartile range from first quartile to third quartile. And from first quartile to the second quartile, the distance between the first quartile and second quartile and the third quartile, you will find some little difference. From the first quartile to second quartile, the size is more than second quartile to third quartile. So there is a tendency for the score which is less than uh, the standard value. Okay. That means the data were collected from the respondents who possessed moderate level of importance on the challenging values. This is the interpretation. This is clear or any question? So these things you have to show. in your project, you have to show all those things. I have covered both the descriptive and inferential statistics as well as the data visualization. Any question? Sophie, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Shreyoshi?
Yes, sir. So I just want to ask one question. Whatever data has been shared on the first day that
Yeah,
Farah, I think, has shared with us, we need to do
yes,
all this, whatever you have shown, the descriptive and inferential
yes,
statistics over there in that
yeah,
data.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Ah, okay.
On
And
that
do we have
particular
to,
data,
on that particular data, and we have to write a report based on that?
based on that.
Ah, okay. Okay. Got it, sir. Got it.
Okay.
Ah,
Bakshi, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
I think you have received the data.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 5 items based data you have already got. So you have to write the report,
Sir.
and um, if you want anything more, we will provide you about the definition of the value. And if you want the literature review, then again you will get it from Para.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so all those
Sir, I
things.
have to ask another thing over here. It would be really grateful if you can provide this literature and on what basis this, like the Likert scale and all the paper which has been used for collecting the data. That would be really helpful. So if you can provide us that.
Okay, so we will give you only thing that is the literature related to this particular value.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Which value you have taken?
FFA, fear of that one, sir.
Fear
Fear
of
of
failure.
failure. Yeah.
Okay, so if it is fear of failure, so we have finished one internship about this literature review on the different values. So we will get it from Farah.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. And you have to work under one mentor. And before that, you have to finish all the analysis part. And after that, I will arrange the mentor, because the mentor will guide you how to write the report. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any other question?
Thank you.
Okay. Mona Lisa, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
If you know any mentor,
Sir, I?
uh,
Yeah, I'll tell you.
if you know any mentor, then you can guide under him or her. We have no problem. But if you do not have the mentor, then I will arrange the mentor.
Sir, you will not be mentor for this course?
Yeah, if you want the mentor, then I will arrange the mentor for you. And if you
Sir,
have the mentor who
sir,
can
you,
guide you how to write the report, then you can take the help of that mentor. No problem.
sir, you will not be the mentor?
No, here I will not be the mentor. I have taught you everything, and how to write the report, that will be given by the mentor.
Okay.
Definitely, I am the mentor, but this report writing will be given by the assigned mentor. And you have to follow the schedule of mentor. because mentor will be the external faculty. So you have to follow the requirement of the external faculty. Ankit, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I am closing now.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you so much, sir.